Over the last century, the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere has been steadily increasing, changing our climate. This is contributing to the dramatic declines in nature we're seeing. At the British Ecological Society, we've been looking at nature-based solutions as an opportunity to protect and restore habitats in a way that may lessen the effects of climate change. For instance, planting trees creates new habitats while also absorbing carbon from the atmosphere. Making the most of nature-based solutions will involve choices. For example, conifer trees grow more quickly and absorb more carbon than native broadleaf trees. But broadleaf woodlands support more wildlife. This means that there is potentially a trade-off between carbon and biodiversity. There are many nature-based solutions to consider, such as restoring peatland, planting hedgerows, restoring salt marshes, and enhancing nature within urban environments. Our new report, with contributions from over 100 world-leading scientists, weighs up the evidence across different habitats. It provides decision-makers with the guidance they need to maximise the benefits of nature-based solutions in the UK, helping nature to thrive and tackle climate change. To find out more, visit our website.